Those taxes.
That'd be all right.
Oh,
That'd be all
man,
right.
Only 500.
We've been throwing a lot of numbers at you here over the last 30 seconds or so. So I figure we're going to throw a lot more at you here in the next 2 minutes.
But those are great numbers. Those numbers right there. You can deal with those. These numbers, you know, sometimes are good, sometimes not so good.
They've gotten better. That's the good news.
Okay.
Dew points down, temperatures down, air quality index, which is the number we've gotten to know, that's down as well. I mean, we're sitting pretty here in Northeast Ohio right now. How long does it last? That's the big question. Hey, if you're hitting the water tomorrow, not a bad day to do it. Temperatures in the water at 74 degrees, at least surface temperature. That's some swimming weather, if you ask me. Notice the wind coming out of the northeast. We'll have a little wind switch out there, 1 to 2 footers. If you're staying on land, this is what we're dealing with. A cool start tomorrow morning. A lot of you in the 50s. We'll go 60s for Cleveland, down towards Akron, that urban heat island doing its thing. Sun, few clouds, a little building humidity tomorrow afternoon, but we're dry tomorrow and we're comfortable. We'll be a little bit warmer than today. We're talking up near 80 degrees or so. Temperatures really dropping. You get in some of these outlying locations. We already have some low 60s reported in western areas of Lorain County. Same thing for northern Geauga, Lake Ashtabula County. Notice the 77 corridor here, typically the warmest, still sitting near 70 degrees in our urban areas. And we've got dew points that are comfortable in the 50s. So that means you can open the window tonight. How about that? This is going to be brief, though. We've got a lot of humidity sitting just down to the south. And look at the plains. All this tropical humidity is connecting with a frontal boundary that will be on its way as we go into Thursday. But for now, we get this brief break, all the rain downstate. Couple showers we mentioned earlier, but they had a big old cluster of thunderstorms. Went through Nashville, now heading through the Birmingham area, and that is all heading down to the south and away from us. We've got high pressure tonight. High pressure tomorrow, and then we deal with this low pressure out towards areas of southern Canada. This will kind of move its way pretty quickly. It's got some legs on it towards the Great Lakes, and it will continue with its little rapid swirl there. Pretty intense low. Notice the storms that develop tomorrow, and then we're talking stormy weather around here on Thursday. It's going to be a weather-aware day. I'm not usually impressed with severe weather chances, but this one looks pretty good. Depending on the timing of this, again, we've got a pretty good shot at severe weather, and that would be for all of Northeast Ohio, not specifically north and south, but all of us. And that would be Thursday, anytime after lunchtime, but especially afternoon and evening. So let's take a look at the latest high-res modeling on what Thursday looks like. Your National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast. Notice the cool start tomorrow. We have lots of sunshine expected. We could pop another shower in our southern counties, much like we did today. That boundary is still going to be down there. Otherwise, we're dry and we're in the 80s tomorrow. Not quite as cool tomorrow night with added humidity, but still comfortable. We'll start Thursday in the 60s, and we'll start dry on Thursday as well. If you have lunch plans, they also look good on Thursday, but look at temperatures. We're well up into the 80s already at noon. Humidity is going to soar as well. You're going to say, yeah, something's amiss. We're due for some showers and thunderstorms. And look at the modeling. By afternoon, we're exploding thunderstorms. We may watch these moving in from the west. They may pop overhead, but all of them will be capable, not just high winds and some hail, but some very heavy rain and lightning as well. And then it all clears out Thursday night, and that will set the stage for a beautiful weekend. So in terms of coverage here, Thursday's the day where we've got the rain around. I don't know why my title didn't change there, but notice we dry out for the weekend. We've got high pressure settling in. In terms of the heat, we don't have that either. We've had one day at 90 degrees so far. We averaged 6 days at 90 plus by the end of July, so we've got a little making up to do, and our summer average is 9. But the last 6 or 7 summers, we've had 10 plus days, some of them 20 plus days of 90 degrees. So the below average continues, right? And that's all due to this trough in the eastern U.S. This goes through Sunday, and watch next week. All the heat out towards the west tries to expand, doesn't make it in here. Well, modeling continues to say that it'll be here in the 7, 8, 9, 10-day range. But that still remains to be seen. Union Hill Mortgage 7-day forecast. There's your rain chance Thursday, Friday. Beautiful weekend, Northeast Ohio. Good air quality as well. Doesn't get any better than that. Then next week, more 80s in the forecast.